Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPCB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday and on Wednesday too, I believe, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, want to get some updates here made as the price did pull back here a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The very first update, though, that does need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that actually played out perfectly today. So one of those from theory to reality type situations. I have talked about 19 cents in the past being a level of support, and with the price below it, like the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly how things played out. Don't get me wrong, though. I'm not saying that it's impossible for the price ever to get back up above 19 cents. I'm just saying that it makes sense why the price did struggle there, and the bulls are going to need to bring their A game in order to get back up above that level right there. As far as the shorter term area, though, kind of the near term level of resistance based on the same premise, when supports are broken, you want to see them act as support, is the price has actually fallen a little bit below that purple line there, which I've talked about in past videos, the 50 period simple moving average. So the sooner the price can get back up above that purple line, the better. I'm not saying that the price has got to get back up above 19 cents right away or anything like that. But yeah, as far as that purple line is concerned, the sooner the price can get back up above it, the better for the overall story of the chart. Now, what about next potential areas of support? So if the price movement continues on downwards, where are some of these next areas at where there could be some buyers hanging out at? And overall, the next key level seems to be right down there around 13.5 cents. That was the bottom of this former consolidation area right there. So that'll be, the near-term kind of next level of overall support to keep an eye on. So sure, the price pulled back today, but from a big picture point of view, the overall trend is still bullish. The price still has plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base, and that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.